Today,
Today we have to check.
check the baddies.
Today we are going to check this scam.
Scam, yes, for petrol pump scam. Our last video was actually shut because of the low battery.
ऐसे बोल we have to make a
Oh my God, Arun Keshri, what are you doing here?
Today I was completing my workout and I am performing the leg day today and I just completed all of my 5 exercises for the two.
How many exercises you will do in the gym?
First I would completed my leg exercise sumo and then I just completed 100 squats and then I just completed dumbbell weighted squats and then
Okay. What's your next plan?
next plan now I decided to change my workout routine for the
From the next week?
morning. And
From the next week, yes or no?
basically, I have to tell something for you. If you are
Yeah.
at the age of 18 to 20, just focus on your career.
Not on girls.
Focus on gym or any girls. If
Not
your
on
dad
girls.
was Not that much rich.
Yes.
And then if you are enough,
But if your dad was rich,
if your dad was rich, then hand chodo दुनियादारी and
whoa, no, say in Hindi, only English. Sister,
just fuck every
sister.
presented in the world except me and my friends.
So, what's your next trip plan in January?
My general plan is to go to outside from my state.
So, hill station.
To go to Uttarakhand.
So, it's a beach trip or a hill station trip?
No, I can't go at the beach. There, the fellow people at the of my age.
Yes. Come on,
Go to
mic,
the
mic
beach
on
and
mouth.
See lot of girls who are wearing bikini and
Okay.
panties
No.
over there.
No.
But we are.
But do you want girls wear bikini and
Me and
panties
my
on mountains or on beach?
No, this is the mountain, not your gym.
It is like our
Not your
culture.
club. If you are wearing bra and panty over there, then you will got freeze over there.
Yes.
No one will help
You will
over
got beaten
there.
by local public.
If you are supposed to thinking that you are wearing that type of clothes over there, then you are responsible for your own.
Okay. Tell us our routine after the gym. What do you do
After gym, we went
Yes,
to
yes.
city center and see some lot of girls who are wasting their time on eating movies.
Yes, and laughing on them.
And we have,
And we also fill up the petrol in Prince Scooty.
now we are going to fill up the petrol and see the dignity of the petrol.
Yes.
And I think so. He is not that much dignity for their work. He was always thinking about their 100 rupees or surviving.
Yes.
family group.
Yeah, some fan was coming.
Yeah, bro, meet my fans over there.
meet her fan. Oh my God, watch mil gayi. Oh my God. Oh, gifted from subscriber.
Hey bro, come here.
Hey bro.
He was scared of me. He was just.
Oh no, I think this watch was Priyanshu.
No, bro. Priyanshu के पापा इतनी महंगी घड़ी खरीदेंगे.
No. Priyanshu father has stolen this.
This
Watch from the-
because this watch was gifted by my fan.
Oh my God, it is priceless.
Yes, this watch.
No one can judge his price.
One of my friend came to my gym and said that I am your big fan.
It is a gift from hearts.
Oh my
It's
God.
a gift from hearts.
Yes, there is no. You can't.
And one more fan was coming. What?
One more my fellow friend also comes from the gym. Today
He's a-
the gym, bro. Their routine.
In English. In English. No, only English.
They public school.
Yes. You tell what you do in gym. What you do in gym. ना करे जनाब, ना करे.
One people.
Yeah, one people.
Today we completed our disposable gym practices.
Yes.
Yes, today is our leg day
Yes.
and our leg is trained.
Our leg is in. Oh yes. Check करो. Check these legs. Check these legs.
Now he is ready to fight with Pakistan. Yeah!
Now he is lifting his tire.
To defeat Pakistan one more.
One more. In Pakistani, not Pakistan. Now you lift the tire. Okay.
Today in gym 101.
Now you lift the tire.
So
Lift.
my inner voice.
Why you are scared from this?
My inner voice is
Coming outside.
Today we found out
Today you lift the tire, Kesari.
Today we found-
Hello, Arun Kesari. Wait, Arun Kesari, lift the tire, please.
I have
One time.
Wait a second. First of all, I have to say something.
Yes,
Today
yes.
Today I find a guy in the gym. He is a power to produce a missile to destroy the Pakistan.
No, don't disturb us. Don't disturb us. Then you don't disturb us.
today we have to check.
Check the baddies.
ने बात मारता हूँ उसकी जगह निकाल he is the person से
He's fart in gym. So our gym name is Explosion. We are come from
Today we are going to check this scam.
scam. Yes, for petrol pump scam. But he can do when but he can do in hisab.
he was arguing for his family
Hey, no. First of all, you will lift the tire only.
There
Yes.
are three people, they will talk like this.
Yes. Full vlog in English. Yes. Lift the tire. Okay. Lift. और अब टायर बना तुम्हारे खुद पीछे हो गया Bro, these people was खुद
he was trying to defeat
Bro, Prince was beaten by the tire,
he was trying to defeat me but he can't defeat my leg
but he defeat us.
ऐसे खेल रहा है
No, only English. पकड़.
आओ खेल रहा है
Yes, tell us.
Fuck you.
Oh no, our last video was actually shut because of the low battery.
ऐसे बोल we have to make our video private because of my friend father so
Hey, back people.
Black people, no, sit on
My dick.
sit on knees, sit on floor surface,
I find a job for
sit on
काले आदमी ने काला क्या किया
Abbe, no, only in English. This vlog is completely different.
I कर रहा हूँ मैं बस.
This vlog is completely
I find
different.
a job for you.
Yes.
स्कूटी ले आया मैं.
Oh no, ये वो.
तेरी में. मैं कह रहा हूँ चाबी नहीं गुजरी.
How much scooty किसकी है ये? अबे भाई ये किसकी स्कूटी है? अपनी स्कूटी तो हो रही, रुक जा. किसकी स्कूटी में चाबी मार दी तूने और हैंडल लॉक से खोला. पहले क्या कर दिया? पहले वहाँ किसी और की स्कूटी खोल रहा था, अब यहाँ किसी और की स्कूटी खोल रहा, अपनी स्कूटी नहीं खोल रहा.
मैं कह रहा चाबी घुसी उसने हैंडल
अपने भी चिराग निकल गई.
मरे.
मरेगा साले, किसी के हाथों में और कुछ नहीं. आजा. चल. ओ ये देख ये चिराग, चल इसको ऐसे ले चल. ओए ऑफ रोडिंग कर रहा है.
I find a job.
अबे तो साइड तो कर दे. No,
The
only
job
English.
is
Yes, guys.
you have to
Here we start another
give
video.
a blow job.
No.
Hi. कुत्ता लगा तुझे.
Where are you? So guys, here you are check the interview of.
hello guys now you can check
No.